Hello. In this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas to increase engagement at workplace. Research has proven that 67% of people are not fully engaged at workplace. And can you imagine the cost it may be having for any organization? However, before we proceed further, click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay connected. Engagement at workplace. Let us first deliberate upon what does engagement do at workplace. It increases productivity, it increases quality of work that is produced, it increases sense of satisfaction. And these are all very important for any organization. Forget, not only for the organization, it's very important for any individual who is working, because the benefit it gives to an individual in terms of satisfaction and fulfillment. That is why engagement is very important, and there has been a constant conversation on this subject for many years. It has been an ongoing process. So I'm going to share with you some ideas as I mentioned. First one is help people to understand purpose and goals. Whenever people are able to connect themselves, their work to any bigger purpose than themselves, converted that into goals which can be achieved from time to time, the obvious benefit that they get is they feel connected with the work. They feel more engaged at the workplace. And that is something very important to do. And for that, what will be required to be done on the organization's front is that they will have to be first clear about what is the purpose for which this organization exists. Second important idea is people need resources to perform. So the phrase that I'm using is provide them tools. And tools can be hardware, software, other resources. All these need to be provided to facilitate their working. And many places people have to struggle to find such resources also. Of course, in the modern organizations, this is broadly taken care of, but you never know what may be one particular requirement of one particular individual, and do you have system to cater to that individual also, but not only broadly, not only in general, but to the specific requirements of individuals also. So make sure that people are provided tools. Otherwise, that struggle takes its toll on the person who is working. Third important element that I'm sharing to increase engagement is give and seek feedback. Now, I've used both the dimensions, give as well as seek. Giving feedback is important so that people know where do they stand in terms of the output they are producing, and also it helps in their own development and growth. But seeking feedback is asking people about how as an organization, how as management, you are facilitating their work. So both aspects are important. Like you must have heard about employee satisfaction survey, and these kinds of information seeking tools are available to get to know from people as to where do we stand as an organization, as management. Next one is if you encourage people to be flexible in terms of working hours specifically, also flexible in terms of their ability to choose projects, their ability to work in different teams, different verticals. Of course, it cannot be random, but as and when the opportunity arises, if you are able to provide them flexibility, so that will help them to, one, when they are flexible in terms of timings, they are able to take care of their family needs also. But when they are flexible at workplace in terms of the choice of work, that gives an opportunity to them to contribute much more based on the capabilities and skills they have. The next important point is invest in their development. And notice the word that I've used, investment. It has to be treated as an investment, not a cost. And as you continue to invest in people, you will notice how they are able to contribute much more over a period of time. And the last idea that I'm sharing is it's beyond the organization, but have perhaps more frequent informal get-togethers where they can open up a little more about themselves to the world around them, to the people they are working with, and that will create a strong bond within the teams and also with the organization, because that is the facilitating platform, that is the facilitating factor in terms of their connection to the organization. So take care of these 6 aspects. The list can be much longer, but pick up some ideas from this conversation and start implementing in your workplace. And you can implement within your own teams also. That will help to increase engagement within your teams. I'll keep on sharing more ideas in my upcoming videos. Signing off now.